Yo, why you turn it off? Turn it back on.
Nigga. Oh, yeah, just run around bullshit shit, boy.
Here said you might know the pain, but I'm holding out. It might have taken a lot of time, but I'm still gonna wait. I'm holding out.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's that? Hold on, wait a minute now. That's nice. I like that. How much is that?
$64.
Yeah, I don't know. I might look orange because the light I'm sitting under. But what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a vlog. I was supposed to have started the vlog since earlier. So today, why my phone look dull? So today I was trying to take pictures for Instagram. Y'all, it's cold as fuck in Texas. I mean, like, you was just a snapping. No, but I was trying to take pictures for Instagram today, but I am like, when it's time to take pictures, for me, it's like I have to see as I'm taking a picture. Does that make sense? Like, because I'm so used to being able to see myself when I record, I have to see myself when I'm taking pictures. What I was supposed to go do my nails today. I was supposed to go get a manicure. I was supposed to do my nails, get a fill-in. Y'all see my fingers? You see? I need a fill-in. And I need to get my toes done for Valentine's Day. But apparently my husband, he's not landing until 7:30ish. And ain't no nail salon gonna be open. So what I'm sitting here doing now is looking at these pictures. I'm probably gonna edit a couple so I can have to post on Instagram. I think maybe if I had on a different wig, I probably would have liked the ones in the Just imagine, just imagine, just imagine. Yeah, so right now, I'm about to, I edited a video last night. Let me show y'all. So you see it's a video here that I'm literally about to, it's already uploaded on YouTube. It's already edited. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be, yeah, I can't really see the screen. My screen is bright. What I'm gonna be doing is pretty much doing my description box and doing my thumbnail. The video is on private now. This will probably go up. This will probably go up probably like.
Or is it?
What the fuck is this? So I'm about to do my.
Oh, thank you.
I'm about to do my title and my thumbnail for this video so I can release it. Joanne called me at 4 o'clock. That's after Daddy called me. Are you gonna go with me?
Hi.
I just seen that you called me. Did you call me? You called me at 4:02. I for real.
Yeah, she called you when we were talking to Grandpa.
So I'm gonna. I usually do my description box from my phone because I have it like saved in my notes. So what I do, Zainab, don't eat anything down there. So what I do is I just go into my notes here, and I just copy. I just basically copy all of it, and then I go into my YouTube studio on my phone, and then I click on the video here, and I just paste it in the description box place, and all my stuff just paste right here.
Series 3.
And that's it. So my description box is done. I usually go on the actual computer now. After I add my tags and stuff, I just save it, and then it'll pop up over here.
I think I'm gonna wait till May.
May for what?
To get one.
An Apple Watch?
Yeah.
Then
I want one, but I don't want one. I don't need it.
Then I do my Instagram. I like mine because like it tells me.
I want it for when I'm working. But I don't need it. I can go without it. Save my money.
So what I do, I have to watch my video a little bit because, you know, I gotta watch the video so I can see where I need to put the cards. Oh. Yeah. What's that thing called?
Martinelli's.
Martinelli's? You ever heard of Martinelli's apple juice? Give me the bottle. So these bottles, these little bottles here, the thing is, was there something on it? Or no, it wasn't nothing on it, right? Well, these little apple juice bottles, I found out that if you bite into them, my brother-in-law told me that if you bite into them, they sound like apples. So the baby been playing with it. Let me see if she's gonna do it.
Amazing.
Bite into the apple. And it sounds like an apple. Back up out my camera. That's exactly how we feel about you. So she been biting into it, and it sounds like an apple every time she bite into it. Who's that? Girl, I don't know who you talking about.
I'm gonna say hi, YouTube.
How are you?
Say hi, YouTube.
How are you?
Say
Hi,
welcome
YouTube.
back,
Welcome back.
all my old subbies.
Alright, yeah, so I added all my tags and stuff like that. I'm just trying to figure out a title for this video, honestly, because I don't know a title for it. It wasn't like a specific look, I just...
Did you do the story time?
No, not yet.
Crackheads.
Yeah, I got a story time to tell y'all about my trip to Atlanta. If y'all want to hear about that story time, okay, y'all let me know. Because it involved crackhead, car accident, and COVID. All 3 C's.
They got Barack. That's about it.
This video is sponsored by Make No Money Records. You feel me?
Records.
You ever heard of Coulda Been? Somebody commented on my video, right? And I never responded. I should have responded. Like, I would never understand why people leave certain comments on people's shit. Like, if you don't like something, click the fuck off. Don't leave no comment because I got time. I got a lot of time. Okay. Recent subscribers. Last 90 days. Oh, I didn't even know I could see all of that. Okay. This girl told me to follow her.
Yeah, I'm ordering.
Alright, it's some glasses I want. Alright, so after I do that,
8-year protection plan.
good morning, y'all. What's up? It's another day. Baby. It's another day. Today is Sunday, Valentine's Day, y'all. I've been like, look at my nails. I've been pulling like the what is this on my nail? What is this? I don't even dip. So I usually get dip on my nails, and yeah, I was sitting down last night and started like picking at my nails because I had so much what you want to call it? I had so much growth in my nails, so I started like picking it. So I need to go to the nail salon, and I'm like contemplating if I really want to go because y'all, it is fucking snowing in Texas. It's snowing. I've been living here since 2016, y'all, and it has snowed twice, and it never like stuck to the ground. But baby, today it's snowing, And this shit is sticking. I mean, like, what is going on, Texas? I'm sitting in my truck now while it warm up. Oh yeah, I want to show y'all what the snow look like. I can see it. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Do you see the snow? I mean, like, it is a... Let me back y'all up. It's snowing. Like, it's fucking snow on the ground. And y'all, I'm from up north, like New York. I lived in New York, and then I moved to Connecticut, and I'm used to the snow. Like, this to me is not snow, but to Texans, like people that live in Texas, this is like a disaster for them. So I'm like, I'm nervous to go on the road and drive, because I don't have to just drive for myself now. I have to drive for me and everybody else that's around me, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm going, the nail salon is like 3 minutes from my house, so it's like down the street. So I'm hoping that they open. If they're not open, then baby, I'm about to be pissed, because my nails is hurt. That when I do anything with my nails, like, they bend. I mean, it's so fucking cold. I could have just warmed this car up. I could have just went in the house. Is he out here with a paper towel cleaning the snow? Listen, I'm not playing with these people out here. I mean, like, you don't see nobody on the highway. Like, I could see like one of the highways from here, like a bridge. I lied, I just seen somebody. I just seen one car. Oh, gum. This gum probably frozen. Listen, how cold it is here. Did you hear my gum? Listen. Like, the gum is frozen. Oh, y'all. This lady was sprinkling salt that she cooked with. Salt. Nigga. Salt. I seen that shit on Instagram yesterday. Like, somebody made a meme about it. And today I seen it in live. Like, she came outside with the salt from her kitchen, and she was sprinkling that shit on. Did y'all see that? She was sprinkling that shit on the floor. I'm gonna come back to y'all in a second, because I gotta call the nail salon and see if they open. So I'll call y'all in a second. Y'all, I just finished. Look at outside. Bruh, look at outside. Like, why is it freaking snowing? I went to, hold on y'all. Bam. So I went to 4 different nail salons to find a nail salon to get my nails done. Everything was closed, and I still think the other one across the street is closed too. So I went to 4 different nail salons and finally found somebody that's gonna do my nails, because y'all see my nails in the beginning, and baby, okay, those are my nails. Like, these are my nails, but I didn't want my nails to break, because I don't like using the tips. So I didn't want my nails to break. So I was like, I need to get somebody to do my nails, because at this point right now, my nails are hurting because they were bending because I had took the dip off of my nails. So I took the dip off a couple of my nails. Like I was sitting there like with a some shit they use in a nail salon. I was using it to like pick the dip off my nails, but I got my nails done. I have a little bit of like, if y'all can see it, can y'all see my nails? So this is what they look like. Bam. Okay, something quick, something simple, because I could not go to my other nail appointment. So this nail salon didn't really know much design, so I had to just give him something simple to put on my nails. So in 2 weeks I'll go back to the person that I usually go to and get my nails done. So yeah, I was supposed to get my toes done too, but yeah, it's too cold to be doing all of that right now. So when I go do my nails, or maybe next week, I'll go do my toes here. You can hear the snow in my tires when I'm turning. So baby, I'm trying to bust all on ya. So baby, sexy little hoe. Love the way you walk, love the way you talk. I don't know how to sing that song. Sexy little hoe. Love the way you walk, love the way you talk. Y'all, I'm finna go in Kroger's. Put my music on. Okay. Yeah, it's cold out here, man. It's cold in the streets. 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 Sexy little hoe. Love the way you talk. Love the way you walk. Girl, baby, I'm trying to bust all on you. Ooh, I didn't sign up for this. Yeah, it is freezing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Girl, yeah, I cannot believe this shit. What the hell, TikTok? No, I don't want to go in there. What the hell? All right, let me go in the store. I'll be back. Just left Kroger's. I brought some stuff for the kids to snack on, and some seafood, because I think I'm gonna do a seafood broil tonight. So I want some curly. Yeah, so I'm about to go to Popeyes and grab some of their chicken sandwiches, some French fries, and whatever else. Wait, y'all, ain't nothing open. Like, hold up. It don't look like Popeyes is open. It don't even, like, McDonald's parking lot empty. Like, Starbucks, it's always around at Starbucks. Starbucks is empty. Girl, I don't even know if Popeyes is open. I do not. I know McDonald's is open, but I don't think Popeyes is open, y'all. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think Popeyes is open. We fixing to see $10 tender meal. Hold on now. Wait a minute now. Let's see. I don't even think Popeyes is open, but we finna find out when I go through this drive-thru what it's gonna say. Let me see. Hello? We are closing at 9. Hello? They closed. They closed, y'all. They not open. They are open. What the hell? No, they're closed. It look like they closed, y'all. I think they closed. Yeah, they closed. Are they closed? They closed? Yeah, Popeyes is closed, y'all. Bruh, it's closed. Don't even go there. It's closed, sweetie. Is McDonald's open? McDonald's open now. I'm grabbing my kids something to eat from McDonald's. That's why Mary had a little lamb. I think McDonald's is open. Yeah, McDonald's is open. Mickey D's, Mickey Does, Mickey Doo-Doos and Doo-Doos and Da-Da's. Cause, let me see. I think McDonald's open, y'all. So, it's looking like a Mickey D, $40, 40 piece nugget. What is wrong with y'all? Cheeseburger bundle. 2 cheeseburgers, 20 piece nugget. I might be getting that. I'm gonna get that cheeseburger bundle. Period. We are closing. Hello? Due to bad weather. Are they closed? Yeah, Texas don't do it. Hello? Are they closed too? Go around. Y'all, I think everything is closed, like no lie. Popeyes is closed, and I think McDonald's is closed too. Are they closed? They might be closed. Yeah, I think they closed. Y'all, when I tell y'all Texas like shut down when shit like this happen, you better believe me. They closed. Ain't nobody in there. Ain't nobody in there. What in the world? Bruh, I mean, like, it's not even crazy snow. And they closed. I gotta call my husband. He finna be like, all right, what are you doing, sir? What are you doing? What are you doing? All right, go ahead. Everything closed, baby. Everything closed. Y'all, let me get back to y'all. I gotta call my husband. Good morning. Yeah, it's literally 10:29 right now here in Texas. Y'all, today, I don't know who that is. Today, I officially started my first day at work. I'm trying to prop y'all up. So I started my first day at work today, but I'm doing orientation, but it's at home. So I'm on the computer right now, doing some computer work. So I wanted to come in. Y'all have not seen me since what, Valentine's Day? I was supposed to finish that video and do an outro, but I didn't get a chance to. So today I wanted to come in and do an outro. Today I wanted to come in and like try to close this vlog out. Could you get out my camera? Doing that. But y'all know Texas had that snowstorm. And y'all, I've been like, that's why y'all haven't spoke to me since Valentine's Day, because that's when the snowstorm started. If you guys remember from the previous clip that I was at the nail salon while it was snowing. So that day when I came home, it started getting real bad. People lost power. People lost power here in Texas. Well, we didn't lose none of that, thank God. But our pipes in the kitchen froze. So yeah, I had to use a blow dryer. I had to put a blow dryer underneath the sink to defrost it. and that took like a good 2 hours to defrost. And once that was defrost, we started like letting our water drip, because that's where I messed up. I didn't let the water drip that night, so the hot water was completely gone. It was completely gone the first day, and then the second day both hot and cold like was gone. So that's when I had to put the blow dryer underneath the sink to basically like defrost the pipes. So that's the only thing that we really went through, was just our kitchen pipe being frozen. But other than that, we didn't lose any power, thank God. None of our pipes burst, which was really great. For everybody else that it happened to, like, I was like really praying and hoping that, you know, they get through it and they have family members that they could go to and stay with. But we are fine. But it could have been worse. But the thing with Texas is that people here in Texas, they're not used to that much snow. See, me now, I'm from freaking New York and Connecticut, so I'm used to dealing with way worse snowstorms. So it didn't really bother me. But yeah, I know Texas wasn't ready. I mean, the streets were still dirty. They did not clean the streets. Pretty much had to wait for the snow to melt. So the snow started melting like 2 days ago, where we could actually see the grass. So that was like, I'm happy. Yesterday was 71 degrees. That was like, when I tell you Texas got bipolar weather, but Texas came through with the bipolar weather right when we needed it. So it melted all the snow. So there's no snow at all in Texas. Well, from where I've been, I haven't seen any snow. So that's pretty much it for this vlog. I have some more vlogs that's going to be coming. I don't know if I'm thinking about getting like a vlog camera so I don't have to use my phone. I have the Canon M50. So that's a good vlogging camera, also a filming camera, but I don't know if I really want to carry that camera around when I'm vlogging. So I'm thinking about getting a different camera probably this week. So I'll let y'all know if I get a new camera, or I'm just going to use my M50, or I'm just going to use my cell phone. So this pretty much completes this video. Sorry for that vlog, because I'm not going to say sorry for the vlog, but this pretty much, I'm doing a lot of walking because the kids are in school. I'm going to close this one out here, and you guys will be getting more vlogs from me. Like I said before, you guys will be seeing more vlogs from me. So I'll try to do like a vlog, a makeup video, a vlog, something dealing with like makeup, and then some vlogs, huh? I'm getting ready to redo like my whole house over, like decorating everything. Let me show you outside. Look at outside. So I'm not going to the mailbox. There's no snow outside, and I'm gonna show y'all the back, because there's no snow on the grass in the back. Before it was a lot of snow. What are you doing? Look, there's no snow. I gotta clean up my backyard. But from the wind, a lot of stuff like got blown around.
The grass grew.
The grass grew, right? Yeah. We're going to get the grass aerated, because we need to get it aerated so the grass could grow a little bit better. But yeah, guys, so look out. More vlogs is coming. I just wanted to come up here and close that out. But you guys, the boys are in school. That's one. That's the other one. And I'm right here sitting there on my laptop. This is my laptop here, and that's them on theirs for school. So, and the baby is over there. So this pretty much completes this vlog. Wasn't really much, but it's better than nothing. So I'm gonna edit this and start a new vlog. So if I start a new vlog and you guys see me like this, just know that I end the vlog here and I start a new vlog. Today is Monday the 22nd. So the last time y'all spoke to me was the 15th because we had a rough week. They even closed the school. I mean, they closed everything here. So I was like trying to focus on what the hell was going on. So this pretty much completes the vlog. I will see you guys on the next vlog. If you guys are not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Turn on that bell so you get notified. And leave a comment in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.